Have you noticed those big green buses moving around Luang Prabang? Wondering what they are and how to use them? Well, you're in the right place. Let's explore Luang Prabang's new green bus system together. The Luang Prabang government, in partnership with JICA, has introduced this eco-friendly public bus service to make exploring our beautiful city easier and more sustainable. The green buses connect major attractions, including the stunning Kuang Si Waterfall, making it affordable and convenient for everyone. Today we're showing you the Kuang Si Waterfall route, which starts at Thatluang Park. The green bus system offers several routes with different pricing. The railway station, airport and long distance bus station routes cost 30,000 kip, while the Kuang Si Waterfall route is 45,000 kip for a one-way ticket. For your return, you can either purchase another 45,000 kip ticket from the driver or get the 90,000 kip round-trip ticket up front. Here's the great part about the round-trip option. It gives you the flexibility to hop on and off at different stops along the way, explore multiple attractions, then catch the next bus to continue your journey and return to the city, all on the same ticket. As of October 2025, buses depart from Thatluang Park starting at 8:15 a.m, then every hour until the last bus at 5:30 p.m. Your first recommended stop is the Hmong exhibition Antique House and Culture at bus stop number K15, located at Meuang village, where you can explore traditional Hmong heritage. Next, you can hop off at Lao Buffalo Dairy at bus stop K20, located in Hmong Khai village. The perfect stop to experience authentic farm life, take a guided tour, and enjoy fresh buffalo treats at the cafe or ice cream hut. Afterwards, the bus continues to Kuang Si Waterfall parking area. The final stop on this route. Here we walk to the ticket window to purchase our entrance tickets. You'll arrive at the breathtaking Kuang Si Waterfall, one of Laos' most spectacular natural wonders. Once you've explored the stunning waterfall, simply return to the parking area to catch the bus back to Luang Prabang city centre. On your return journey, you can stop again at Lao Buffalo Dairy to enjoy some buffalo ice cream or join a tour before heading back to Thatluang Park. Here's an important note. As this is a brand new system, some information like schedules and pricing might change depending on when you're watching this video. We highly recommend arriving at the station a bit earlier than planned and double checking all details with the staff at Thatluang Park to guarantee an efficient departure time that fits your travel plans. Here's some crucial advice based on real experiences. As it is a brand new system for Luang Prabang and both drivers and passengers are still learning, currently buses may not stop automatically at every designated stop. So here's what you need to do. When you see the green bus approaching, actively flag it down by waving your hand. Don't just wait passively at the stop or the bus might pass you by. Be visible, be proactive, and most importantly, be patient. Keep in mind that buses may not always stop exactly at the bus stop. When you're approaching your desired destination, you can politely request the driver to stop by calling out the location name, for example, Lao Buffalo Dairy. This helps the driver understand where you would like to get off. The Green Bus System isn't just about transportation, it's about experiencing Luang Prabang in an authentic, sustainable way. You'll reduce your carbon footprint, save money compared to private transport, and connect with fellow travellers. It's eco-friendly and gives you the freedom to explore at your own pace in air-conditioned comfort without worrying about negotiating tuk-tuk prices or navigation. So next time you see those big green buses, you'll know exactly how to use them. We're thrilled to see how far the system has come and even more excited for what's ahead. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insider tips on exploring Luang Prabang and getting around the city like a local. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll never miss our latest updates on everything Luang Prabang.